This free real estate resource is brought to you by Western Nevada Title Company, protecting home buyers since 1983. Step 3 of the home buying process: finding a home and making an offer. Let's walk through what happens next. It's time to look for homes in your price range that meet your needs. Think about size, layout, and features that fit your lifestyle. Remember, you'll need to budget for more than just the mortgage. Unexpected costs like HVAC repairs or plumbing issues can happen. Consider the home's location. Is it close to work or school? Does it have extra space for a home office or gym? Once you find the right home, you or your agent will submit a purchase offer. This includes price and terms for negotiation. The seller can accept, reject, or counteroffer. Negotiation is common until both sides agree. When an agreement is reached, everyone signs a purchase contract that sets the price, conditions, and timeline. Next comes title work. A title search ensures no one else has legal rights to the property, and title insurance protects your ownership. Escrow is a neutral third party, like a referee, holding funds and documents until all contract terms are met. As the buyer, you'll deposit earnest money into the escrow account. This shows you're serious about the purchase. During escrow, loans, liens, and other financial obligations are reviewed and resolved before the home officially closes. The escrow officer works with you and your agent to settle items before closing day, when ownership transfers to you. Check out our other videos on each step of the home buying process and download our home buyer and seller guide at WNTCO.com. Western Nevada Title Company, helping home buyers protect their homes since 1983.